Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you had a pretty good weekend. I just wanted to make a quick video on what happened last week with selling puts for some extra income on the side. And not only did I sell puts recently, I also sold a call which got assigned, so I had to sell that underlying stock. 100 shares of it at a certain agreed upon price. We'll talk about what I made from that deal. And yeah, just an update video, maybe what I'm looking at tomorrow, Monday, when the markets open, and just keep you guys in the loop as I plan to do with this series. And this isn't financial advice, this is just me showing what I'm doing. You can either take from it what you want, or use this as a good example of what not to do depending on the outcome, which so far it's been pretty good. But it could be we just have a small sample set of me doing okay. We haven't really gotten the big picture consistently, so it is what it is. But enough of that. Let's just go ahead, and maybe first I should bring up the spreadsheet. I do want to make something, by the way, a little off topic, but I would like to make maybe an application or something that I can log these kind of trades, and it'll maybe look a little bit more visually pleasing than just a spreadsheet. But for right now, the spreadsheet does its job. So on Friday, I did actually sell 2 extra puts. I sold a put on Hut 8 Mining for a $13 strike price, and I made $68 in premium on that. And I also sold a put on AMC. Both of these, by the way, expire next Friday. And the AMC one, I got $187 worth of premium at a $38 strike price. And yeah, both of these were sold on Friday. So week-long put, and from both of these, if everything goes well and these expire completely worthless, I'll be making, $250 or so off of premium. But that's best case scenario. I might end up buying to close, as I do with most of these, if I just have a few dollars left in value and I just want to release that collateral to sell other puts maybe. And we'll just see what next week brings. But, best case scenario, I made $250 just off of those 2 trades. Now, something else that happened on Friday, I sold a call on Riot Blockchain at $29 strike, and Riot Blockchain right now, I think we'll check on it, but it's about $31 or so. So whoever ended up buying that call did pretty well for themselves. And what's kind of cool about selling that call, not only did I make money off of the premium, so if I can find it here, I made $75 off of the premium, but the average share price for those 100 shares was $28 because I sold a put on Riot Blockchain. I got assigned that put, and therefore I had to buy 100 shares at $28, and I sold 100 shares at $29. So not only did I get the $75 in premium, but I also got an extra 100 just in appreciation. However, I would have made more money just holding 100 shares and waiting for it to hit 31 and then sell. Everyone can say that now that it already did that, but hindsight's 2020. And at the time, and still to this day, I like these kind of trades personally a lot better because I at least know what to expect, right? I at least get the premium. And that's something, you can day trade and potentially make more money off of a trade like this. But for me, it's more about having the control and a little bit more, in my opinion, of consistency when you do something like this. So yeah, I could have made, an extra $200 just holding shares and selling them right now. And maybe it will go even higher than it is right now, and I could make even more. But for me, this portion of my portfolio and this stuff going on the side is exactly that. It's just to make extra income. It's not day trading for me. It's not, trying to predict when a stock is going to skyrocket 14% in a couple days. It's just me trying to build some extra income. So enough of that. Here are some puts that I still have. I have AMC, that put that I bought that expires next Friday. It actually depreciated $57. So if I bought to close that particular put right now, I would have made $57. I do have some more collateral now since some of my options last Friday expired worthless, and that collateral is freed up. So I was looking at potential stocks to sell puts on, and actually one that caught my eye is SoFi. let's look at SoFi options. Of course, this is going to update tomorrow morning, depending on what the stock's doing and with the shorter time horizon. But let's look at selling puts for next Friday. If I were to sell a 2150 put, I would get $87 as of right now in premium. And even a 21, maybe a 20, I'd get $38 in a week just off of premium and $2,000 worth of collateral set aside. So SoFi's one. Riot, actually, I wouldn't mind. Let's go ahead and take a look. I haven't actually looked, but I wouldn't mind selling another put on Riot, even though it's gone up pretty well over the last week. So if we sell puts on Riot expiring on Friday, I can still get a $29 put, sell that for $92 worth of premium as of right now. Of course, this is probably going to change tomorrow morning. But those two in particular, I'm going to keep an eye on Monday morning, see what happens, and potentially sell puts on either or both of those stocks. So I'll keep you updated on what's going on there, and this will probably conclude the update video. Oh, and I guess I didn't give a total, but you might have seen it. So far this month, I have made $745 off of premium and also the appreciation of the stock, gaining off that when selling that particular call. So in 7 days, 745, which already beats the entirety of last month. Of course, this could all go wrong tomorrow, and this isn't a guaranteed outcome of the whole month. But I am pretty ecstatic about, how this has been going so far. So I guess if you want to see how the rest of the month turns out, you just got to subscribe and keep watching these as I make updates on them. And I really do appreciate it. Hope to see you in the next video. And as always, take care.